Looking for a reliable charging cable that keeps your devices powered without hassle? The Vanwa 2-pack replacement DC charging cable offers fast, stable charging for any device with a 2.5 mm DC port. Whether you own a massager, beauty instrument, or small electronic, this cable promises consistent power delivery every time. I've tested these cables extensively with various gadgets, and the 2.7-foot length hits the sweet spot. It's long enough to reach your power source comfortably, but not so long that it tangles or clutters your space. Plus, the snug 2.5 mm connector fits tightly, so you won't worry about it slipping out mid-use, a detail that really matters when you're on the move or multitasking. What sets this cable apart is its premium construction. Inside, a high-purity copper core ensures minimal energy loss and stable charging speeds. Compared to typical cables, this means your devices get power more efficiently, which can extend battery life and reduce charging time. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in everyday use. Compatibility is another strong point. The USB Type-A end plugs into any standard USB port, your laptop, power bank, car charger, or wall adapter. This flexibility means you can charge your devices wherever you are, whether at home, the office, or traveling. No more hunting for the right cable or worrying about compatibility issues. If you value durability and convenience, this cable delivers on both fronts. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the sturdy build ensures it stands up to daily wear and tear. It's a practical, no-fuss solution for powering your essential electronics without compromise. Customer support is straightforward and responsive, too. If any issues arise, the Vanwa team promises a reply within 24 hours and a satisfying resolution. That kind of service adds peace of mind when investing in accessories you rely on daily. If you're tired of flimsy, unreliable charging cords, this 2-pack from Vanwa is worth a look. It combines solid performance, thoughtful design, and broad compatibility into one affordable package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience and keep your devices powered smoothly. In short, the Vanwa USB to DC 2.5 mm fast charging cable is a dependable choice for anyone needing steady power for small electronics. Its perfect length, durable build, and wide compatibility make it a smart addition to your tech accessories. When it comes to charging, this cable gets the job done without fuss.